Hi, my name is Benjamin Miller. I am a first grade teacher at Port Towns Elementary School in Prince George's County. I teach all subjects. I teach a high ESOL population as well as special needs students. At my school, I am the grade level chair for first grade as well as the website co-coordinator to run the website. I love football and sports and UFC and uh, everything about that. I also have a family that's very tight knit. My wife is Caitlin is a nurse assistant, and she's currently going to go to school for nursing. And my son Logan is a 7-year-old in first grade, so I teach first grade, and I have a first grader, so it's pretty much first grade all day long. One thing that I would love to do still is in my life is go to Maine. Maine is probably one of the most beautiful places. My parents had their honeymoon there, and my wife's been there, but I haven't, so I really would like to go there. From this course, I would really love to learn how I could bring the blended learning and different learning styles to a first grade classroom because it's hard to get that internet learning style for a first grader, and I would love to find ways to handle that. So that's a little bit about me, and that's a little bit about what I want to do, and I hope that you enjoy the class as much as I hope I will too. Thanks.